Hey everybody, we got a Kwikset challenge lock here. Thought it was just going to be a regular Kwikset. It's not. It's definitely a challenge lock. I tried to pick it out of the envelope in my hand and couldn't hold on to it, so now we're taking attempt 2 in the vise. This was sent to me by somebody named Albert LaBelle, who his note says has a YouTube channel under that name, so I will search it and find it and link it. Helpful lock picker told him to send this to me, and I sent him the last challenge lock I picked, which is the Sightless Sensei Kwikset lock. Key is stiff counterclockwise, works fine clockwise. And we'll see if we can get it open. And I don't know who pinned it. I think the Helpful Lock Picker sent it to Albert, and then Albert sent it to me, but there's no indication of who actually pinned it. So I don't know who to. Oh, look at that! I just got to do a false set. Well, I think it's a false set. Definitely some rotation. Yeah, I'm actually going to text the Helpful Lock Picker when I'm done with this and actually see if he knows who pinned it. So I feel like I should probably link it, or at least mention it in some text somewhere. Definitely crunchy feeling. Right, serrated pin, crunchy. be surprised if there's not threaded chambers in this thing. And I've got a crappy camera angle here too, probably, but I didn't feel like getting my other stuff out when I do the vise. I hate picking in a vise, but I just can't hold the damn thing. I was gonna just stick it in a doorknob because that's what this is, but the little tabs on the side that hold it in a doorknob are actually broke off of this thing, so that wasn't an option. You know, the doorknob, you can hang on to it real easy. Yeah, it's just annoying. There's a false set again. At least some rotation anyway. It feels like it wants to go. Alright, something clicked and got tight again. There it goes. Alright, so not super fun to pick, but it's fun when it opens, I guess, so I guess that makes you appreciate the journey, I suppose. It's out of the way. Junk out of here. So, I'm trying to turn the camera and get it. And I will try to find out who pinned it so I can give them blame or credit, however you want to look at it. And we do have the key, so we can lock it back. We need a follower, we need a clip tool. All standard pins. And no threading, so I'm going to laugh if this is just a regular old lock. And I put the follower in the wrong direction because I do it so much working where I'm not actually taking the drivers out that I didn't even think about that. And if you follow my channel, there's a recurring theme here of me not being able to find my tweezers. There they are right in front of me. All I gotta do is say I can't find them and they magically show up. So let's see if we can get this guy here. Okay, one is everything standard so far. Just look at that in a second. Alright, well. Should have took the damn springs out. Well, the springs all look like they're standard to me. And, okay, the chambers are threaded. Alright, so these are all just stock Kwikset springs here. Alright, well that's kind of confusing. I thought there was going to be some serrated pins or something in here. Alright, so let me just show you the pins here and then look at the Bible because it is threaded. So we do have a lightly serrated pin in 5 and a spool in number 3. I think that was the one I guess I was getting hung up on. And then the Bible. I don't know if you can see this one. Let me zoom out here. So the Bible. Get some light in there. Yeah, I can see through the viewfinder. You can see number 1 and 2 are threaded. And from the back. Sorry guys, my fingers don't work real well here to manipulate this. So they're all 5 threaded here. So that was what was making it a little bit challenging for a Kwikset. I did think there was going to be some crazier pins in it, but anyway. So if I can find out who pinned it, I'll link it. Otherwise, I'll link Mr. LaBelle's channel for sending it to me, and I'll also spike that on the board, and I'll link the Helpful Lockpickers channel too, in case you guys don't know that one. And we all need subscribers now that YouTube's changed their subscriber policy, so we all need subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed, it'd be cool if you did. And that'll do it for now, and then we'll talk to everybody later.